With such rapid growth and changes happening in information technology, it's more crucial than ever to have a clear plan on how to run things. TOGAF principles provide a set of guidelines that will give your enterprise a clear architectural structure on the path to business success. If you want to become an enterprise architect and take part in building an enterprise's strong foundation, then now is the time to start learning some key TOGAF architecture principles. Enterprise architecture principles. Architecture principles are the rules and guidelines specific to an enterprise's architecture. They are a subset of IT principles. Enterprises use their architecture principles to govern their information and management systems and any other IT tools. TOGAF, the Open Group Architecture Framework, has laid out an example set of 21 high-quality architecture principles. Each TOGAF architecture principle is divided into 4 parts, including the name, statement, rationale, and implications. These 21 principles are divided into types too, including business architecture, data architecture, application architecture, and technology architecture. In general, you should aim for 10 to 20 guiding principles for your enterprise architecture. Out of the 21 TOGAF architecture principles, here are the 8 critical principles that we think you need to know. 1. Maximize enterprise benefit. All decisions about information management must be made on the benefit of the enterprise. All individuals and organizations within the enterprise must be willing to work together, following the guiding principles for the maximum benefit of the enterprise. 2. Everyone is involved. Or rather, information management is everyone's business, meaning that all organizations in the enterprise must be involved in all aspects of the information environment. Everyone needs to take responsibility for doing their own part in managing information and participating in important decisions. 3. Business continuity. This principle states that hardware failure, natural disasters, and data corruption should not be allowed to disrupt or stop enterprise activities. In other words, we have to be prepared to keep the enterprise running even when systems go down. 4. Data is an asset. All data is a concrete, valuable asset to an enterprise. It is a real, measurable resource. Because all decisions in an enterprise are made based on data, all that data needs to be carefully organized and managed. 5. Data is shared. This principle says that data should be stored within one application and shared across the entire enterprise. This is important so that everyone within the enterprise has access to the data they need to do their job. 6. Data is accessible. This one means that everyone in an enterprise needs to have easy access to all data within that enterprise. This makes it easier to do their jobs. 7. Ease of use. All technology within an enterprise needs to be easy to use. The more time you spend trying to figure out how to use technology, the less time you have to spend on your actual task. That means less productivity and lower concentration. Never a good thing. Keep the technology simple so that everyone can do their jobs efficiently and effectively. 8. Control technical diversity. Although there will necessarily be some different technical requirements for the various applications across an enterprise, this principle states that you will try to keep the different technologies to a minimum. The more different technologies you throw into the mix, the more expensive and troublesome it gets for your enterprise. Enterprise architecture principles are the rules and guidelines that help to keep an enterprise running smoothly at its highest potential. The 8 that we talked about here are just a few important TOGAF principles, but that's not even half the list. If you really want to dive deep into the world of enterprise architecture, consider taking a TOGAF course to learn more and start your own journey towards becoming a successful enterprise architect. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.